हेलो गाइस, हाउ आर यू ऑल? वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। माय नेम इज जानतोवर एंड आई होप आप सबने पिछले लेक्चर का सारी रिवाइज कर लिया होगा, तभी आप आज के लेक्चर में जुड़े हैं। और जो भी स्टूडेंट हमारे साथ इस लेक्चर में नहीं जुड़ रहे हैं, उनके लिए रिक्वेस्ट है कि वो जाके पहले स्टार्टिंग के सारे लेक्चर देख ले, ताकि उनके मन में कोई भी डाउट ना रहे और उसी के साथ वो आसानी से इंग्लिश बोलना सीख सके और अपनी प्रिपरेशन को अच्छे से आगे बढ़ा सके और साथ ही साथ अपनी कॉन्सेप्ट में अच्छी पकड़ बना सके। सो विदाउट एनी डिले, लेट्स बिगिन आवर लेक्चर। And I think we have learned 10 rules, and our first rule was use of do. It we use whenever we try to showcase our likes, dislikes, and our daily habits that do you do this thing or not? Then you will reply that yes, I do this thing, but if you deny that no, I don't do this thing. And our second rule is use of can. Whenever we try to showcase our capability that this thing we can do or this thing we can't do, whenever we try to showcase our strength or weakness, there we use of this rule. If you agree, then you reply that yes, I can do this thing, but if you deny, then you will reply that no, I can't do this thing. And our third rule is use of ing. It means something is still in motion, present continuous tense, that when somebody asks from you that are you doing this thing or not, if you agree, then you will reply that yes, I am doing this thing. It can be anything, but if you deny, then you will reply no, I am not doing that thing. And our next rule is use of have, that it means something has already done. It has started in present and it has already done in the present moment. As an example, like when somebody asks from you that have you done this thing, and it can be anything. If you agree, then you will reply that yes, I have done this thing, but if you deny, then you will reply no, I have not done that thing. And our next rule is use of will. It means whenever we try to showcase our future events that you have some plans for future and soon you will do, there we use of this rule. As an example, when somebody asks from you that will you do this thing, if you agree, then you will reply that yes, I will do this thing, but if you deny, then you will reply no, I will not do this thing. And our next rule is want to. It means that you are doing something intentionally, somebody is not pressurizing you. When somebody asks from you that do you want to do this thing, it can be any action. If you agree, then you will reply that yes, I want to do this thing, but if you deny, then you will reply no, I don't want to do this thing. And our next rule is WH word. When we ask mostly questions from WH words like why, what, how, at what time, and with whom, and where. And our next rule is introduction part. We have already done that. What is your name? Where are you from? What about your qualification? And what about your family? And what is your hobbies? And what do you want to be? And our next rule is fond of, that it means it we use whenever we try to showcase our likeable habits, that are you fond of doing this thing, then you will reply no, I am not fond of doing this thing, but if you agree, then you will reply yes, I am fond of doing this thing. And our last rule was afraid of. It means whenever we try to showcase that it has fear of something or someone, it can be any noun or it can be any pronoun, there we use of this rule, that are you afraid of this thing, it can be anything. Then you, if you agree, then you will reply that yes, I am afraid of this thing, but if you deny, then you will reply no, I am not afraid of this thing. Now let's do a quick revision of all the rules. And our first example is do you say water? If you reply that yes, I say water, but if you deny, then you will reply no, I don't say water. But if you say yes, I say water, then we will ask why do you say water? Then you will reply I say water because I am a responsible person. Then we will ask question from the second rule, that can you beat animals? Then you will reply no, I can't beat animals. Then we will ask next question to you, why can you not beat animals? Then you will reply I can't beat animals because it is not my upbringing. Then we will ask question from the third rule, that are you beating animals? Then you will reply no, I am not beating animals. Then we will ask why are you not beating animals? Then you will reply I am not beating animals because these are not my morals and there is no one in front of me. Then we will ask question from our fourth rule, that have you saved water? Then you will reply that yes, I have saved water. Then we will ask next question, that why have you saved water? I have saved water because it is very important for our life. Then we will ask next question from our next rule that will you beat animals? Then you will reply that no, I will not beat animals. Then we will ask next question that why will you not beat animals? Then you will reply I will not beat animals because I have good morals and I don't like to beat animals. And our next question will be from next rule that do you want to save water? Then you will reply that yes, I want to save water. Then you will ask why do you want to save water? Then you will reply I want to save water because I want to save my earth or it is my choice. The next question will be from ninth rule that are you fond of beating animals? Then you will reply that no, I am not fond of beating animals. Then our next question will be why are you not fond of beating animals? Then you will reply because I don't like to beat animals, that's why I am not fond of beating animals. Then we will ask next question from the 10th rule that are you afraid of save water? Then you will reply no, I am not afraid of save water because I am happy to save water. Then we will ask that why are you not afraid of save water? Then you will reply that I am not afraid of save water because I don't have fear of it. Now let's come to our today rule which is Siko. Whenever we try to showcase our sadness in something, there we use of this rule. Let's see the question structure is that are you plus Siko plus any action कि क्या तुम ये चीज करने से दुखी हो? Then you will reply if you agree that yes, I am sick of plus any action कि हाँ मैं ये चीज करने से दुखी हूं. But if you deny, then you will reply no, I am not sick of प्लस एनी एक्शन कि नहीं मैं ये चीज करने से दुखी नहीं हूं. As an example, when somebody asks from you that are you sick of studying spoken English कि क्या तुम spoken English पढ़ने से दुखी हो? If you agree, then you will reply that yes, I am sick of studying spoken English. But if you deny that no, I am not sick of studying spoken English कि हाँ मैं spoken English पढ़ने से दुखी हूँ और नहीं मैं spoken English पढ़ने से दुखी नहीं हूँ. And our next example will be are you sick of saving water कि क्या तुम पानी बचाने से दुखी हो? If you agree, then you will reply that yes, I am sick of saving water कि हाँ मैं पानी बचाने से दुखी हूँ. But if you deny, then you will reply no, I am not sick of saving water कि नहीं मैं पानी बचाने से दुखी नहीं हूँ. And our next example will be are you sick of speaking English कि क्या तुम इंग्लिश बोलने से दुखी हो? If you agree, then you will reply that yes, I am sick of speaking English कि हाँ मैं इंग्लिश बोलने से दुखी हूँ. बट इफ यू डिनाई, देन यू विल रिप्लाई नो, आई एम नॉट सिक ऑफ स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश कि नहीं मैं इंग्लिश बोलने से दुखी नहीं हूँ. आई एम सिक ऑफ टू लिसन इंग्लिश कि मैं इंग्लिश सुनने से दुखी हूँ, मैं इंग्लिश बोलने से दुखी नहीं हूँ. If you maintain continuity only in these things, so soon you will be able to speak fluent English. Only something that you should focus like your tense, your rules, your daily schedule, and your introduction part. These things should be on your fingertips because whenever we try to speak fluent English or whenever we look for the fluency, so these things we require on our daily basis. We can't compromise without these things. And whenever you get some spare time, so go for reading because some English words take time to come into our tongue. But on the other hand, Hindi words are so easy to speak, that's why we don't fumble in Hindi. But whenever we try to speak English, sometimes we fumble and sometimes we stop our speaking just because of these difficulties. I hope you like this session and let's finish this lecture here, and I hope you will revise up our rules and our concept. So I'll meet you in the next session.